Hi, my name is Christina Torres, and I'm a kindergarten teacher as well as the creator of the Problem Solving Mat. In my 10 years of teaching kindergarten, I've learned that my students can struggle to communicate their disagreements. Even some of my most advanced students will have mishaps from time to time in the classroom or on the playground. Tattling is a real deal in kindergarten and can sometimes be so difficult to constantly try to address. This is why I decided to create the Problem Solving Mat. The Problem Solving Mat is a simple 3-step conflict resolution process that students, teachers, and parents can easily use in their classrooms and in their homes. This relationship building tool helps free up the teacher and is totally student-led. The best part is kids love using the mat. The mat allows them to feel heard while being able to express their feelings in a way they connect to. It allows them to take ownership in every step of the conflict resolution process. The mat builds a process that teaches kids how to effectively communicate and creates real-time opportunities to address social-emotional development so that they can build healthy relationships with one another. To use the mat, students will face each other on the outside portion, starting with the footprints with the question mark titled Step 1. Each student will take a turn stating what they believe happened. Once each child is able to state their side of the story to each other, they will step over to the heart square titled Step 2. In this step, they will get to share their feelings. They can do this by pointing at the colorful emojis or use their words to state how the situation made them feel. Lastly, they will make their way over to Step 3, the light bulb step. This is where they will collaborate to come up with a solution to their problem that they both agree on. Once they've done that, they have both solved the problem and they did it by working together. The Problem Solving Mat has done wonders for my class and many others. It addresses student anxiety, manages conflicts, builds on self-esteem, and teaches kids how to become their own problem solvers. If you're ready to quickly teach your kids how to effectively solve their problems in your classroom or home, then check out our website to get a problem-solving mat today.